All right, here's our demo video. So you start by uploading a file that you want to look at. And in the future, we're going to extend this beyond just mono file projects. But yeah, basically our project is an all-in-one code analyzer, optimizer, and education tool. So you can really understand what your code is doing, and we utilize Valgrind, GCC, and BAML in order to, make it better than just spending a bunch of time in ChatGPT not knowing what you're doing. So yeah, our first tab that we're looking at is our documentation tab. So notice how each function is highlighted with a specific color. We correspond that down here, that we know what you're looking at. And also sometimes we don't even know what the purpose of our functions are, so this tab is going to help you out here. Um, and also if you think it's doing something but it's really doing the opposite, it will also tell you that here. Our next tab is going to be the dependency graph. So this helps visualize how the functions are really interacting with each other. And this is kind of helpful because, sometimes you might be calling the wrong function, XYZ, and Fibonacci here is a recursive one, so we're going to signify that with the 3 dots. And then the most important tab is our optimization one. So on the left here, this is where we're getting the real-time user data from, running Valgrind, GCC in the back, and we use Docker for this. And we basically get the actual time it takes to run stuff, the actual memory usage. So we actually know the results of your code, unlike if you just copy and paste it into ChatGPT and ask it to do something. And then on the right, using all the same data and the same feedback, we generate an optimized version of what you were trying to do. So, for example, I think the Fibonacci function, we used memoization in DP, so you don't have to, recursively call as n gets bigger and bigger. So yeah, this is just one of the few things that we did. So yeah, it's a really good learning tool. It really visualizes what your code is actually doing. And then with BAML, we're able to structure our queries a lot better and really gain better insight into our code.